Hey guys, I just have really bad news. What is it, Thomas? What is it, man? That devious diesel got out of jail that he broke out a couple of minutes ago. Come on, we need to go and stop him. Devious diesel? Oh, fuck no. He was my arch enemy. And still is. Okay, come on. We have to fight this son of a bitch and finally end this fucker once and for all. Yeah, true. Oh, speaking of the fucking devil. Huh? I'm coming, guys. Escape out of jail, fucker. So what you gonna do about it? Attack! Fuck you, fuck you. Die. You die. You can't stop me, fuckos. Die. True, we can't stop you, Diesel. But I know one person who can. Who? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Take that, fucker. Oh, boys. Huh? Fuck you, dickheads. I'm back. Oh, fuck. She was just an... you know, we're not even gonna explain that shit no more. I mean, the man is pretty obvious. Don't worry. Come on, guys. Attack. Attack. Oh, shit. Oh, once again, she's too powerful for us. That's not true. When we work together, we become the most powerful thing in the fucking world. Come on, guys. Alright. Yeah, okay, we can do this shit. Take that shit. I'm coming, guys. Wahaha, I'm way too fucking powerful for you, fuckers. Just give up. We never will. Right, guys? Yeah, come on, guys, come on. Yeah, come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Oh, take that, you fucking bitch. Take that. There, she's unconscious. Okay, well, go back there, Big Thomas, aka my dad, anyway, go take care of her. Make sure she doesn't escape or nothing. Like, we gotta think of a way to end her for good or whatever. I know, dropping her off a cliff or whatever should do the trick. Come on. Oh yeah, 100 that shit. Yeah. Grab her. Okay. Okay, let's go do this shit. Alright. Okay. Bye-bye. You're not getting rid of me, fuckers. And you never will. Okay, come on, let's go. Oh, Uh, 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 you can stop me. That's what you think. Yeah. No. No. Uh, I know. Uh, ow. There, guys, I dropped her off the chair or whatever. Hooray, hooray. There, she's gone for good this time. Oh, shit. Never mind. Whoa. I'm still here. Oh, no. What are you gonna do to us? You'll see. Oh, no, she has a fucking cigarette. AKA and a lighter or whatever. Bye-bye. No. Not my damn house. AKA home. No. Oh, no. Oh, we lost everything thanks to that stupid bitch. It's okay. The important thing is that we still have each other and we're still together and we're still alive. That's all that matters. Yeah, I guess so. I guess so. Well, at least we still have that. Hey guys. I'm sorry, but we're gonna need to borrow. We need this. Why? For the prisoners, so some of them are getting out, so we need to have this. You don't mind, do you? No, not really. Okay, thanks. It's ours now, so fuck off. Oh shit. So we have nowhere to live now. That's not true. We can live inside of you, daddy, like this. Yeah, close enough. I mean, I don't really care. Seats. Good night. Good night. Feels weird.